Hello everyone and welcome to our channel that is Home Learning. Today we'll start with SST यानी कि Social Studies with the first chapter of Geography, and before that I hope and I would like to tell you that SST is divided into three parts, that is Geography, History and Civics, and today we'll start with our first chapter of Geography, that is our environment. We use this word environment in our daily lives, like today's World Environment Day. अब आज अगर हम देखें लोगों के व्हाट्सएप, फेसबुक स्टेटस एंड ऑल, तो हर जगह वर्ड environment दिखेगा. बट डू वी एक्चुअली नो द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड environment? I don't think so. So let us start with the definition of our environment and then try to protect our environment after learning the exact meaning and things about environment. So my first question is, what is environment? Environment is everything that makes up our surroundings in which persons, animals and plants lives and operate. मतलब कि environment वो जगह है जहाँ पर person मतलब इंसान, जानवर as well as the plants पौधे रहते हैं और अपने according function करते हैं. The word environment is derived from the French word. From where the word is derived? It is derived from the French word, the word environ, which means to surround. The French word environ, जिसका मतलब होता है surround, वहाँ से हमारा word लिया गया है environment. So let us move towards our next topic, that is components of our environment. Look, in different books, they have followed different criterias of classification, but here we will deal according to the two major parameters of the classification. Means there we'll study about two major parameters on based of which our environment is being classified. So depending upon whether the things are living things or the non-living things, the first criteria is on the basis of life. Means based on life, we have first divided our environment into two parts, that is, first is depending on physical environment and the second is about biological environment. Physical environment में क्या होता है? Basically physical environment abiotic environment भी बोलते हैं. We used to call it as abiotic environment and it deals with the non-living things. And when we talk about the biological environment, so biological, as the word bio itself means living things, so biological environment deals with the living organisms. Now the second parameter is on the basis of its origin. On the basis of its origin, there are two types, means one is natural environment and second is human and human made environment. Natural environment is further sub-classified, but we'll study in detail later on. But here it's divided into two parts, that is natural environment and human-made environment. Let's move towards फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट. अब हम फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट को डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. सबसे पहली चीज़ जो हमें जाननी है वो ये है कि फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट होता क्या है एंड विथ व्हाट थिंग्स इट डील्स. अभी मैंने एक शॉर्ट में एक चीज़ बोली थी कि दैट जो फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट है वो नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स बेसिकली डील करता है. लेट अस गो थ्रू द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट ऑल्सो, विच इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर इन केस कभी हमसे पूछ लिया जाता है कि व्हाट इज़ फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट, तो एट दैट टाइम वी शुड बी केपेबल ऑफ राइटिंग दैट व्हाट इज़ फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट. हमें पता होना चाहिए. तो फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट इट कैन बी डिस्क्राइब्ड एज एनीथिंग वी कैन फिजिकली एक्सपीरियंस थ्रू आवर सेंसेस. सेंसेस कौन कौन से हमारे हैं? टच, स्मेल, साइट, हियरिंग एक्सेट्रा. राइट. मतलब फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट वो एनवायरनमेंट होता है जिसको हम लोग देख कर, स्मेल करके, सुनकर या टेस्ट कर करके महसूस कर सकते हैं, एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं. देन इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज abiotic environment. This I have already told you while I was classifying telling you the components of the environment. It is also known as abiotic. Bio means होता है life, और जब उसके आगे हम लगा देते हैं a तो उसका मतलब होता है lifeless, मतलब बिना life के. So simply it means that it deals with the non-living things. Examples are air, water, soil, temperature, even density, pressure and etc. Now next component is biological environment. बायो अपने आप में, जैसा कि मैंने पहले बताया था कि बायो का मतलब होता है लाइफ, तो मतलब इट डील्स विद द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. Biological environment deals with the living organism and it is also known as biotic. Physical environment होता है abiotic and biological environment होता है biotic environment. तो कैसे इस सेंटेंस को लिखेंगे? इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज बायोटिक environment. Now, as we know that if it is dealing with the organisms, living organism, and it is known as biotic environment, so now I hope that you all can quote the examples too. Let us go through the examples also. Plants, animals, bacteria, fungus, etc., etc. So let us give a quick revision whatever we have gone through in this video. Means, what is environment? Environment is everything that makes up a surrounding in which plants, animals, persons lives and operate. Then it is further divided depending upon two different parameters. That one first parameter is on the basis of the life, that is it is divided into two parts: physical environment, biological environment. Physical environment also known as the abiotic environment and biological environment known as the biotic environment. Then second parameter of classification was based on its origin. So on the basis of origin, it is divided into two parts, that is natural environment and human made environment. आई होप आप सभी को इतना समझ में आया होगा कि इन्वायरमेंट क्या है और इसके कंपोनेंट्स क्या हैं और फिजिकल और बायोलॉजिकल इन्वायरमेंट क्या है. विल डील विद द सेकेंड पैरामीटर इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग and please do like the video, share it and subscribe the channel. And yes, once again I'm wishing you all World Environment Day, and I request you, please go green, save the environment, and at least plant one tree today. And always remember that every year 5th June is celebrated as World Environment Day. Thank you and have a very, very nice day. And yes, go through the video, and if you are having any confusion, then mention in the comment box. We will definitely going to resolve your problems. Thank you.